I don't know how to braid before this. This is how I started teaching myself cornrow. I almost gave up learning this, but I'm glad I did not give up because there is progress each time I practice cornrow on myself. At first, I was disappointed because the journey seemed impossible. Everything changed when the progress I was making became visible to others and not just me. I am somebody who have problem braiding at the salon. I don't feel happy or comfortable braiding at the salon. I don't know if I'm the problem or the hairdresser. Sorry, I don't mean to offend anybody, but that is how I feel. I am a black lady, and because of the nature of our hair, I cannot leave my hair on braid because within a week it will look unkept. So I just wanted something simple, neat and comfortable, but even that was hard to get. Since nobody could give me that, I decided to start teaching myself how to braid. I know that was not going to be easy, but I was ready to learn no matter what it takes. When I started my first cornrow, it changed the shape of my head because I did not know how to part it well. I was embarrassed that I have to cover my hair throughout the week, but I did not give up because I believe that was the process. Documenting this to always remind myself how I started and how far I have gone braiding. I am not perfect yet at braiding or parting. It just makes me feel happy each time I look at my braid. Every week I see progress because I braid my hair every week. Every video I watch tells me you are growing, and that gives me courage to keep on pushing. I have braid and styled my hair in a wonderful way I never thought I will at this level. I am now. I don't know what amazing style I will be able to make. I want to document this as a history and memory of a journey that looks impossible at the beginning, but with the help of God's determination and consistency became possible. Braiding your own hair may seem like a minor thing for some people, but for us who don't know how to do it, is a big deal. It's something we are daydreaming to know how to do so badly. I'm happy with the few braid and style I have made progress with, and that feels like a trophy. I cannot imagine how much happier I will be when I know how to braid better than I do now. If you are also learning how to braid your own hair and you feel like joining the family so we can encourage each other, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And also don't forget to share what you think about my progress in the comment section. I will be so glad to know what you think. Am I making progress? Thank you.